Hey guys, this is Robert and here's a package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. What is this? Audio adapter. Okay. Some information there. What's inside the package? More something about Qualcomm. Not sure you can read it. There you go. And then here. Okay, let's open it up. So we have an instruction book. We have a USB-A to C cable, 3.5 to 3.5 cable here. And then we have the Bluetooth adapter. How this works. Okay. There's a receiver, transmitter, USB-C aux. And then you connect it to the airplane ports to broadcast the sound from the screen to your phone, two phones or two devices, or the other way around. So yep, that's it. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.